Statutory Compliance in HR, Everything You Need to Know 2026 Guide. Welcome back. Imagine waking up to a legal notice and a fine that wipes out your entire quarterly profit. It happens more often than you think. Are you 100% sure your company is compliant with current labor laws? Statutory compliance is the legal framework within which an organization must operate regarding its treatment of employees. In this video, we break down the must-haves of compliance from PF and ESI to the latest 2026 Labor Code updates to keep your business safe from fines and legal battles. In the world of HR, statutory compliance isn't just extra paperwork, it is the law. It's about ensuring that your employees are treated fairly and that your company is protected from government penalties. Today, we are stripping away the legal jargon to give you a clear, actionable roadmap to HR compliance. Section 1. What is statutory compliance? Simply put, statutory compliance refers to the legal laws and regulations that a company must follow. These laws are set by the state and central governments to protect the interests of employees and employers alike. The big pillars usually include Social Security, think Provident Fund, PF, and Employee State Insurance, ESI. Wages, Minimum Wage Acts and payment of bonus. Working conditions, the Factories Act or Shops and Establishments Act. Taxation, professional tax at TDS, tax deducted at source. Section 2. The 2026 Compliance Checklist. Laws change, and 2026 has brought some specific shifts you need to know about. Here is your audit checklist. 1. The new labor codes. Ensure you have updated your CTC structures to match the latest definition of wages. 2. POSH compliance. Is your internal complaints committee, ICC, active and has your team been trained this year? 3. Digital records. Governments are moving toward 100% digital filings. Are your registers digitized and ready for an audit? 4. Equal pay transparency. Are you documenting